Okay, the purpose of this video is to show you how to correctly check whether all your colors will print correctly using the line weight. So I have here, I think 9 different lines, and if I go to my layers, I only have one layer right now, which is layer 0. I do want to create several layers. I'm going to create my layer 1, which is red, and then create another one, 2, which is yellow. And again, I just want to remind everybody that these are non-standard colors. These are the standard colors over here, and you should only use these unless you want your objects to be printed in color. Another one called 3, which is going to be my green. Next one is 4, which is going to be my cyan. And then so forth and so on. 5 for color blue. And 6 for color magenta. And then 7, which is going to be my color black, or in this case, it's going to be white because we have a black background. And then you have your color 8, which is your dark gray. And then your color 9, which is your light gray. Okay. Next, we're going to assign their colors. So this is going to be layer 1. And then layer 2 is supposed to be yellow. I don't know if I didn't click that before. Okay, so select and then pull this down and select 2. Escape, press this, select 3. Escape, select this, escape 4. Next one is 5. And then 6. You gotta press escape if you don't want the previous one to be selected. And this one would be 7. And this one would be 8. And this one would be 9. Now we do have to set our preview. So if we go layout, I don't want to see the grid, so I'm going to double click the box, the viewport, and then type in grid, and then turn it off here. Double click. I can zoom out a little bit if I want to. There you go. And then I can do a preview, but my preview will not work. See, preview no plot is assigned because you haven't set it up. So you have to right click, page setup, and then set your or modify your preview. This should be AutoCAD general documentation. We're going to leave the paper size to 8.5 by 11, and then we have to pull this down here and select our correct line weights. I have one here called Engineering 9. Okay, if when I check that, it says that color 1 is the thinnest, 0.13, color 2 is 0.18, color 3, which is 0.25, color 4, which is 0.35, color 5, which is 0.5, color 6, which is 0.7, 7 is 1, 8 is 1.4, and 9 is the thickest at 2. So it should be, so we're going to save and close that one. I'm going to just use that, and I'm going to click OK, close. And then when I preview, it should show my thinnest to my thickest. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so this is how it's supposed to print. Now, if it doesn't print like that, I did provide some helpful tips on that I found on the internet from AutoCAD that will help you figure out if you can print your colors in line weight correctly. So try to do this test print whether your color line weights will appear. And mostly we try to set it up here, modify, and then mine is called Engineering 9. You can almost certainly create a new one by pulling this down and then clicking new, and then using starting from scratch, then click next, and then you can name this whatever you want to name it. So you can say EDT320, and then click next, and then we're going to do a plot style editor. Okay, this one says use this plot style for new and pre-AutoCAD 2023 English drawing. So you can do that also. You can check that too if you want to. But color 1 is supposed to be 0.18, I believe, or 113. So here's line weight, and it's going to be 0.13, right? And then color 2 is going to be 0.18. Okay, so forth and so on. You must also set your color 1 through 9 not to print in the object color but print in black. Okay, color 2 must also be printed in black. So everything from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 must be printed in black. So make sure that you set this up correctly. Again, you can name this whatever you name it. Once you're done, you click finish. Make sure you do set up all the line weights for um, color 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I go to table view, you can see here color 1 is black, color 2 is black, 3 should also be black, 4 should also be black, 5 should be also black until you get to color 9. Oh, too much. Until you get to color 9. Okay. Also, make sure that you correct your line weight. I think it's 0.3 and then 0.18. I think this one is 2 or something. So 0.2. So make sure that you set correctly according to what we've discussed before. Okay.